This is Mr. V. Welcome to this video on interest. In this video I'm going to show you how to rearrange the compound interest formula to determine the interest rate. Here's my compound interest formula. A equals P times open bracket 1 plus I over K, the close bracket to the power of N. In this video we're going to rearrange for I. Now before we start, I just want to mention that this is a harder topic. This will be an A standard question. I'll put that up to the top here, A standard. Because the rearrangement we're going to do is a complex rearrangement. It's quite difficult. Okay, as always, we're going to start by writing down our rule. And I'm going to list off all of the values that I have. Now let's read through this question together and figure out what our values are. 2 years ago, Tan placed $8,300 in an investment, paying compound interest with quarterly rests. If his money has grown to $9,500, what interest has he been earning? This is asking for the interest rate. Okay. Alright. The actual amount that we have now after the investment is $9,500. P is the principal, the amount invested or borrowed. And we know that Tan placed $8,300 into an account. I's are unknown, we're trying to find that one. K is the number of rests per year, and we have quarterly rests. And there are 4 quarters in a year, so K is 4. Tan started in his investment 2 years ago, so the number of payments is 2 times 4 quarters per year, which is 8 quarters in total, so 8 payments in total. I'm going to fill this information into my equation. A is 9500 equals P times open bracket 1 plus I, which is my unknown, divided by K, which is 4, to the power of N, which is 8. Now this is a multi-step rearrangement, so follow carefully. I'm going to use reverse BOM-DAS. So I'm going to do BOM-DAS in reverse. Now, this means I first want to do any subtraction or addition terms, then multiply, divide, then order, then brackets. Now in this case, we need to start by outside our brackets, work all the way into the brackets, then do everything on the inside of the brackets. So looking outside my brackets, I don't have any addition or subtraction, so I can move straight on to my multiplication division. I do have something being multiplied or divided by my brackets, and that's this $8,300 times. So I'm going to get rid of it by dividing by 8,300. Okay, and I'm going to put it on my calculator. 9500 divided by 8300 equals 1.14 ... equals 1 plus I over 4 to the power of 8. I'm going to leave that number on my calculator there, so I don't lose it. Okay, no more multiplication division left. Next is order, so to the power of or a root of. In this case, we have to the power of 8. To get rid of to the power of 8, we're going to do the opposite, which is the 8th root. So I'm going to take the 8th root of both sides. So I'm going to have the 8th root of 1.14 ... equals 1 plus I over 4. On your calculator, to do the n root, so any number root, we're going to use Shift and then press this X with a square. And it's going to give us this symbol, a little blank root, and then the other blank. So the 8th root means that this first square should be 8. And then this inside is our 1.14 ... which is our answer, our previous answer. So I'm going to click answer on my calculator to use that number, equals, and that equals 1.017, and I'll leave it there, equals, and on this side we have nothing except for the brackets, so we can get rid of the brackets now and just write 1 plus I over 4. Okay, back to the beginning of our reverse BOMDAS. Do we have any addition or subtraction terms? Yes, we're adding this plus 1. So I'm going to get rid of 1 on both sides. So 1.017 minus 1 equals I over 4. This is 0.017 equals I over 4. Now I'm going to get rid of any multiplication or division terms. I have divide by 4. The opposite of divide by 4 is times 4. So I'm going to times 4 on both sides. 0.017 times 4 equals I. When I put it on my calculator, that's the answer I've still got written here. So answer times 4 equals 4 point... what have I done wrong? I'll do that again. 0.017 times 4 equals, that looks a bit better, 0.068 equals I, which is the same as 6.8%. So the interest rate that Tan paid is 6.8% compound interest.